Welcome to another Tickera tutorial. Today we will learn about orders and attendees. When a customer buys a ticket in Tickera standalone version, order and attendee tickets are created. Let's buy a ticket just for the sake of it. I will head to one of my events, open it, and add tickets to a cart and proceed to a checkout. Once I complete the checkout, to check the orders, head over to WordPress admin, Tickera, and then click on the orders link from the menu. This area here is where you can view all of the orders made with Tickera. For every order, there is a column with some basic info about it. We got the unique order ID here. The status column shows if the order is received or paid. This here is the order creation date. Next one is the customer's name, and tickets column displays what tickets customers has purchased. Gateway displays what payment gateway customer used. Discount shows if a customer has used any of discount codes, and the total is the amount a customer paid for the order. Let's open the last order we created a few moments ago. I have explained most of the information here on the previous screen, and they're pretty much self-explanatory. Now let's see how and which data we can edit in the order. As you can see, my order is set as order received, which is because I purchased the tickets with the offline payment method. But if you wish, in the offline payment method settings, you can set the option automatic payment status to paid. But that's entirely up to you. There are a few more options to choose from, and it's order cancelled if you or the customer canceled the order, and order fraud option if somebody tried scamming you. Now, if you need to edit an order a bit further, you can change the customer's name here or an email here. If you need to change attendee's name, you can do that in the tickets table here by clicking on the name, and it will change into the input field, as you can see. In the ticket table, it is only possible to change the first and last name and email, which we will do now. Just under the tickets information, you can see the payment information of the current order. Gateway, discount, subtotal, fees, taxes, and total are self-explanatory fields that we don't need to talk about. It might be worth mentioning that you can set the discount codes in Tickera, discount codes, and fees and taxes in Tickera settings. Let's click Save and head over to Tickera Attendees to check out the attendees list. This is where you can manage all of your attendees and filter them with the options right here. As you can see, you can filter them via dates, events, and order status. You can also search for attendees via search function right here. But before we get into the details of a single ticket/attendee, let's check out this list here. These are all the attendees for all of your events. You can see the attendee names right here, ticket code right here, the ticket type they purchased, and for which event they bought the tickets right here. Here is the order number and the link so you can go and view the order of an attendee and view or download the ticket right here. And here you can see number of check-ins an attendee had. Let's click on the view link and see what happens. As you can see, this is the attendee's ticket. If you click the download link here, the download will start of the PDF ticket we just saw. Now we will click on the details right here and see what happens. As you can see, we are taken to a page where you can check how many and what time a customer has been checked in. In Tickera ticket types, you can set how many times an attendee can be checked in. Our ticket type is set to unlimited, so we can check in this attendee as many times as we want. You can see the date and time when the customer has been checked in. If a mistake was made, you could delete an attendee's check-in by clicking here. Of course, a much better way to check in customers is with some of the Tickera apps, but it's worth mentioning this way of checking in the customers too. That's all you need to know about orders and attendees. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest Tickera tutorials and tips and tricks. Thank you.